Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study medieval history. We will go through a step-by-step guide to help you master this fascinating period. First, grasp the immense scope of the medieval era, which typically covers about 1,000 years, from the 5th to the 15th century. Next, familiarize yourself with the primary geographical areas, such as Western Europe, the Byzantine Empire, and the Islamic world. Understanding these foundational elements will provide a strong framework for your learning journey. To truly understand medieval history, it is crucial to explore its sources. Primary sources like ancient manuscripts, royal decrees, or even archaeological finds offer direct insights from the period. Secondary sources, including your textbook or scholarly essays, provide interpretations and analyses by historians. Learning to critically evaluate these sources, considering their origin and potential biases, is a vital skill. This practice helps you form a more complete and nuanced picture of past events and societies. Medieval history is rich with compelling themes and concepts. Delve into the feudal system, understanding its structure, and how it shaped social classes and power dynamics. Explore the profound influence of religion, particularly the rise and spread of Christianity and Islam, which impacted nearly every aspect of life. Additionally, investigate significant events like the Crusades and the development of impressive architectural marvels such as cathedrals. These elements are interconnected and provide a comprehensive view of the era. To excel in your medieval history class, employ effective study strategies. Constructing timelines is incredibly helpful for organizing events in chronological order, making it easier to recall sequences. Utilize maps to visualize the vast empires and shifting borders, which provides crucial geographical context. Regularly summarize what you have learned in your own words. This active recall significantly boosts memory. Finally, engaging in discussions with classmates can offer new perspectives and solidify your grasp of complex historical concepts. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.